Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to set or change default location on your Windows PC. Step by step, easy guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on that, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. Then it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy right here, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to location. Click on that. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then come to set default. So click on that, and it's going to pump up like so. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on change default location. I'm going to enter my locations right here, Lagos. So enter your location, then comma your country. So I'm going to simply select it right here from the options right here. Then allow it to load and generate your default location. So if the location is not accurate to your current location, you can click on clear location and then come back to set location again. Lagos. So Ikorodu. Lagos State, Nigeria. Then this is next to my location right here. So allow it to generate the location, and then you're going to have it right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to come to this particular section right here, click on road. Then you can simply enable all this and everything is going to show. So you can decide to enable this reside. So you can decide to enable all these. So right here, make sure you enable the traffic, incident, cameras, and show on and so forth, just like so. Then once you're done, what you need to do right here, so you can see these are my locations right here. Then click on change. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply set your default location or how you can change your location on your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.